today we're gonna plant a red clover plant with you. Let's open this up now. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. There's some soil, let's see. Let's move on. There's the cup. Okay, now we take this bag and we open it up. Open it carefully, because everything might actually open, and everything might just like fall off. Let's get this. Wait. Can't actually fit it in. Let me try to fit this in. Let me okay, that's enough. Now let me put this atop. This atop of that. So this is soil and this is the seeds. Let's put this in here now. Now we open this up fully. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. So fun. Careful. Carefully put this in. It's going really slow. Whoop. That won't take time. Let's squeeze this so it can come faster. My hands are literally like bold. Hands are bold. I'm doing this nice video for you guys. Hope you enjoy. Oh, that's a big opening. It's kind of getting on the table. My hands are getting blurry. It's all, look at that. What's that? Oh, whoops. I may have made it far as we could. Okay, we'll just move this. Key. Guess we're done. Okay, I opened this. It's open, see? Now I'm gonna just open this carefully. I think it's okay. Did it? Now let's put the seeds in here. Wait. Okay, wait, let me just fix this up. This soil. Open this up and let them all go. Seeds. All of them in. All of them. I wish I could open them now. Okay, I'm done with putting the seeds. Now let's put the rest of the soil. All on the seeds. Whoops. This sounds kind of satisfying. Okay. Now I'm gonna bring the water. Be right back. Okay, I brought the water. It's in there. Again. It's in there. Put this down. Okay. pour this water a little bit. Okay. That's enough. That's enough. Now we just fix this up right here. Now we can put the water from there. Like, I think let's okay, that's enough. Now we just, yes, we're done. We're done. Okay, now I'm gonna put a little bit of water on top. Okay. Now we're gonna bring this plant near the sun. Let's go. So now the sun and water is good for plants to grow faster. So that's why I'm putting it near the sun, because we already put water on it. This flower will grow any day, so we're just gonna wait for it to grow. In Facebook, we'll show how this flower grows. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and like our page. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Anastasia's World. Bye bye, guys!